Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to set your keyboard, your piano for worship. The best way to set it, and you will get those kind of sound you hear on the telly. The keyboard will be sounding so lovely, so harmonious. That's something like that. So guys, I'll be doing this tutorial on E463. Yeah. Same process applies to other PSR, other E series, E443, E45, all those stuff, because they have same functions. So as we go on, you understand what I'm talking about. So before I continue, I would like you guys to subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed, like and comment as well to support the channel. Thank you guys. So we're going to start with, we're going to do it on, it's on default now. So first thing you have to do, you're going to use this voice grand piano. So first of all, you have to set your dual. See the dual button here. To set it, you had click on dual. See, it will now show you different voices. You now select the one you want to use. The one we are going to use in this one is slow. Wait, it's on dual voice. To select the one you want to use, you will now use this plus sign, plus or minus sign, or this knob here. But let's use this plus sign to select. We're going to use slow strings. Yeah, this is slow strings 073. So next, you also click on this button here, so that you change the dual, this thing, the dual cutoff. I will tell you what you have to set the cutoff. It's now change the dual cutoff. First of all, set the volume to 065, then go to dual cutoff. It's very important. Yeah, dual cutoff. See, one thing about this cutoff is if you leave it at 064, this rate it is, it won't be sounding nice. Let me activate it and show you. If you now activate it by clicking here, it's not on cutoff now, it's on normal. The dual is kind of shouty, so when you now cut it off, set it to 030. See the sound here. See what I'm talking about? Some people don't know this, and some don't set it like this. But if you set it like this, it will be so wonderful. Set it to 030. Then, after setting it, I normally leave my dual octave at 0. Yeah, I normally leave it at 0. Some people will set it on -1, but I like mine on 0, because when you want to play all those, if you like to transpose, if you want to play all those minor keys, it won't be sounding so nice. So I normally leave it at 0. So after dual, after you have finished setting, I have already activated it by clicking here once. Understand? To activate it, just click on dual once to activate it. So we are through with the dual. See how it sounds now with the dual. So next, we have to set the dual release. No, not dual release, the release. That is sustain. That is what I mean by release. I normally use this knob to set it. This very knob here. So the release is number 4 on the knob. See, it's on number 4. 1 is resonance, 2 chorus, 3 DSP parameter. Release, then your trigger rate. Understand? So to set the dual release, that is the sustain, if you don't have a sustain pedal, you put it on 4. To assign it on 4, you see this knob assigned here. You keep tapping on it. It's on 1 now. Look at the knob assigned. It's on 1, 2, 3, 4. It's now on the release. Then we use this knob here to set the sustain, however you want it to be. If you want it to be sustaining high for a longer period of time, you use this knob to assign it. You see the sustain, it's not sustaining. Yeah, see how it sounds. So another thing you have to set, if you don't have a bassist, a bass guitarist, a bass guitar man, a bass guitar man, if you don't have one, you can set it here, you can split it. I normally use finger bars. Yeah, I normally use finger bars. I normally use 0.75, the volume of the bass. Then the split point, set it at 55. The split points, I normally use 55. I don't have a bass guitar, but yeah, it's on 55. This is, let me activate the bass. I've activated it. See what I mean by the split point? Where you want it to stop. Yes, I want it to stop here. Since I'm playing worship. You see how it sounds? So lovely. So, what next are we going to set? I normally set the harmony. I normally set the harmony for my worship. I put it on duet. Then set the volume to the highest volume. So after doing that, then the M volume, very important. That is the voice here. The M volume, I set it at, see, let's go to the M volume. It's on 122. I set it at 120. So there you have it. Once you set your keyboard like this to play worship, people will love it. Then you now activate the harmony. Everything is now okay. See how it sounds now. There you have it. See how it sounds. And another thing, if you don't want to use this knob to set your sustain, let me show you another way you can set it via the M release on your function. You just click on function, then look for M release. M release. Yeah, this is the sustain for this kind of keyboard. You now set it to 110. Yeah, that is, if you don't want to use this knob for the sustain, you can set your M release. Understand? That's it. Please guys, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. See you some other time. God bless.